Your body has been trying to warn you for months, maybe even years, but you've been ignoring the signs. What if I told you that fatigue, brain fog, and those mysterious aches and pains, those digestive problems, could all be early warning signs that your immune system is turning against you? Hi, I'm Dr. Will Cole, and today I'm sharing the top 10 signs of autoimmune diseases that you absolutely cannot afford to ignore. We're seeing more and more cases than ever before, and here's the scary part. By the time you get diagnosed with an autoimmune condition, your body has already destroyed, for most people, up to 70 to 90% of the effective part of the body. Shocking, right? But your body doesn't stay silent during this process. It's been sending you warning signs, warning signals all along. In my functional medicine telehealth practice, I work with people around the world who are somewhere on what I call the autoimmune inflammation spectrum. There are 3 stages: silent autoimmunity or silent inflammation, where you have positive antibodies but no symptoms yet. And then phase 2 or stage 2 is autoimmune reactivity or inflammation reactivity, where you have antibodies, you have inflammation markers that are high, and you have symptoms, but you're not quite damaged enough for a conventional medicine diagnosis. And finally, phase 3, stage 3, the autoimmune disease, or the conventional diagnosis. You're checking all the boxes in conventional medicine, where there's enough destruction of different parts of the body to get that official mainstream medicine diagnosis. The goal is to catch you in those first 2 stages, and if you are in the 3rd stage, we're there to help you as well and get your body back to vibrant health. No matter where you're at on the inflammation spectrum, there is hope. All right, let's go over the top 10 signs of autoimmune diseases, and the last one might shock you. Number 1, chronic fatigue that sleep doesn't fix. This isn't just feeling tired after a long day. That's normal. This is bone deep exhaustion, where you wake up feeling like you never slept. What happens is your mitochondria, the cellular powerhouses of every cell of your body, are under attack from chronic inflammation, leaving you running on empty. Number 2, brain fog and memory issues. Can't find your keys, forgetting people's names, word recall, name recall issues, walking into a room and forgetting why you're there. When your immune system creates inflammation, it affects your brain function. The neuroinflammation is one of the earliest signs something is wrong, these proverbial check engine lights. Number 3, joint pain and morning stiffness. If you're waking up and your joints are stiff as a board, if you're struggling to get out of bed or experiencing joint pain that moves around your body, maybe goes up and then down, sort of relapsing, remitting, your immune system might be attacking your joints and connective tissue. This is especially common with things like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. Number 4, digestive issues that won't go away. Things like bloating, cramping, diarrhea, constipation. Sound familiar? About 75% of your immune system lives in your gut. So digestive problems are often the first sign of autoimmune issues and other inflammatory problems. This could be pointing towards things like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, which includes Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, or celiac disease as well. Number 5, skin problems and mysterious rashes. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and often the first place autoimmune diseases can show up for some people. Things like eczema, psoriasis, unexplained rashes, or skin that's suddenly sensitive to everything. Histamine issues. These are all red flags your immune system is misfiring. Number 6, hair loss or hair thinning. Number 6, hair loss or hair thinning. Losing more hair in the shower, finding bald patches. Autoimmune conditions like alopecia areata, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, autoimmune thyroid problems, and lupus can all cause hair loss when your immune system attacks your hair follicles or disrupts your hormones. Number 7, temperature sensitivity. Are you always freezing when everyone else is comfortable? Or maybe you're overheating constantly. Temperature dysregulation, temperature regulation problems often point to things like thyroid, autoimmune problems, Hashimoto's disease, Graves' disease, things like Raynaud's can be implicated in this as well. Okay, number 8, muscle weakness and muscle aches. Musculoskeletal issues. If you're experiencing muscle weakness, especially in your arms and legs, or muscle aches that feel like you ran a marathon when you didn't, even exercise, this could indicate conditions like myositis or lupus, things like MS, affecting your muscle tissue. Number 9, recurring infections. Getting sick all the time, taking forever to recover from a simple cold, you just feel run down all the time. When your immune system is confused, dysregulated, attacking your own tissue, that's what autoimmunity is, molecular mimicry. It's not doing its job of protecting you from real threats like viruses and bacteria. And number 10, anxiety, depression, and mood changes. Here's what most doctors miss. Autoimmune inflammation doesn't just affect your body, it affects your whole body, which includes your brain. The same inflammatory cytokines causing joint pain and digestive problems are also disrupting your neurotransmitter, leading to things like anxiety, depression, and mood swings. So now that you know the signs, you might be thinking, where did it start? The truth is, these symptoms don't just happen overnight for most people. They're the result of years and years of triggers. These micro traumas in the body, things like chronic stress, poor diet, toxin exposure, biotoxins like bacteria, virus, mold, chronic infections, leaky gut syndrome, underlying gut problems, things like chronic stress, unresolved past trauma, emotional issues. The good news, you have more control than you think. Research shows that 70 to 90% of your health is determined by your lifestyle choices, not your genetics. Genetics loads the gun, but epigenetics, lifestyle factors pull the trigger. In conventional medicine, they wait until you're sick enough for a diagnosis, then they give you medications, things like immunosuppressants and steroids, to suppress your immune system. In functional medicine, we identify and address the root causes. What is science exploring as the underlying drivers of these autoimmune problems before you reach that point? We heal your gut, reduce inflammation, eliminate triggers, address the mind-body component, support your body's natural healing mechanisms to regulate that neuroimmunoendocrine axis. So if you're experiencing several of these signs, don't wait. Take my inflammation at-home test kit, a simple urine test that reveals your inflammation markers and measures an oxidative stress marker, which is an aspect of inflammation, and it helps identify if you're trending towards autoimmune issues and other inflammatory problems. The link is in my description below. Don't wait until it's too late. Your body has been trying to tell you something. It's time to listen. Hit that like button if this opened your eyes. Subscribe for more functional medicine insights. And remember, my friends, your health is in your hands.